Assalamu alaikum KG2, it's Wishes Anjua again with a new lesson, and today we will do lesson number 6 of unit number 1 of Oxford Progressive English. Let's start. Unit number 1, lesson number 6, the topic is words and phonics. Exercise number A is what is the first sound? You can tell the first sound easily as you have done it already. A apple, a apple, a ant, a ant. Exercise B. Draw a line to match the picture to the word, cover the pictures and read the words. You can see that there are 4 columns of this table. In first column you can see some pictures, and in second column you can see phonic words written there: rat, mat and cat. In the third column, sight words are written: orange, apple, necklace, mummy. And in the fourth column, you can see the pictures of these sight words. What you have to do is that you have to just match the correct picture with the correct word, as they have done one for you. Cat is there, and they have matched cat with cat written in the phonic words: k, et, cat. Okay. Now one I will do for you, mat, M-A-T, mat, and I have matched mat with the picture of mat. The rest of the matching you will do by yourself. In next column you can see orange is written on number 1, and I have matched orange with the picture of orange. Rest of the matching you will do by yourself. Write the correct letter to make the words. This is exercise C. Write the correct letter to make the words. And one example they have given, that number 1, it is the picture of mat, and they have written M in the blank space, and it becomes mat, M-A-T, mat. Number 2, it's the picture of necklace, and you have to write N in the blank space, and it becomes necklace. Next, number 3, you can see cat is there. C you will write in the space, and it will become cat, k-et, cat, c-a-t, cat. Rest of the blanks you will fill by yourself. It's time for homework. Complete the exercise B and C of lesson number 6, and take a picture of it and send it to your English teacher. Thank you.